After finding this recipe, I haven't experienced back pain again. Create this mixture easily at home and experience quick relief from pain. People who've tried this recipe report feeling better after the first use. The best part is, this remedy works on other areas too, like knees, shoulders, and more. And the ingredients are very easy to find. You'll only need turmeric and bananas. Wondering why these ingredients? Turmeric fights inflammation and pain. Studies show it's effective for conditions like arthritis and back pain. Bananas, on the other hand, relax muscles and ease muscular pain. Together, they make a powerful pain relief solution. Alternatively, you can opt for turmeric capsules. However, it's not widely known that many turmeric supplements are now contaminated with harmful additives or, in some cases, are counterfeit. 1 ripe banana, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. It's easy to prepare. Mix the turmeric powder with mashed banana. Apply the mixture to the area. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water. You can repeat this up to 3 times daily. Here are 4 important tips to help you quickly eliminate back pain: maintain proper posture, exercise regularly to strengthen your back, lose weight if necessary, avoid lifting excessive weight. If the back pain is severe or doesn't improve with home remedies, consult a specialist. If you are pregnant or nursing, it's important to consult a doctor before using this home remedy. If you're worried about the quality of the turmeric you and your family are consuming, we'll show you how to check at home if your turmeric is counterfeit. Just click the video above and give it a try now.